know, so we ain't really never had no old money. We got a whole lot of new money though. Smoking on cooking the hot pot. Fucking on the bitch shit, knock. Cooking the dog in the crock pot. We came from nothing to something big. I don't turn up my nigga with the trigger. Call up the gang and he come in the gang. Run me a river, keep you with my bitches bad and bullshit. Cooking up dope with a booze. My niggas is savage, fool. We got thudders and hundred rounds too. Records on records, so my money making my back. These niggas got a low act. We running off that way. That could be in the act. We really nothing to smash. I'm in the back of the break. I'm in the back of the bag. Bad and bullshit.
I remember syrup sandwiches and crime allowances. Finesse a nigga with some counterfeits, but now I'm counting this. Barbershop where my accountant lives. In fact, I'm down in this. Do say with my boo tastes like Kool-Aid for the analyst.
Nothing can stop me. I'm all the way up. What you need?
Oczywiście, Anadolu.